Today, we're going to break down just one single document. But trust me, this isn't just any document. It's a university job posting for a Farmer 3. And what this single piece of paper reveals about the reality of modern farming, well, it's pretty mind-blowing. Let's dig in. Okay, so when you hear the word farmer, what image pops into your head? For a lot of us, it's probably something kind of classic, right? Overalls, a tractor, maybe a pitchfork. It's an iconic picture, for sure. But as we're about to see, the reality of this job is a whole different ballgame. Way more complex, way more technical, and a lot more demanding.
So here it is. This is the job at the center of our whole story. The official title is Farmer 3. Now, the first thing that really jumps out is where this job is located. It's not on some quiet family farm. Nope. It's at a university's College of Veterinary Medicine. And that one detail, it changes everything. We've shifted from a simple country life to a professional setting that's all about research, education, and patient care for animals.
All right, let's jump into the first big myth we can bust right now, the tools of the trade. Because let me tell you, this job description makes it crystal clear that a modern farmer's toolkit goes way, way beyond just a pitchfork. And check this out. The official job breakdown is super revealing. A massive 70% of this role is animal care and equipment operations. That's the key part right there. It's not just about the animals. Operating heavy equipment is a huge primary function. The rest is split between building maintenance and other stuff. This is a highly structured, multi-faceted job. And just get a load of this equipment roster. We're talking dump trucks, skid steer loaders, and even welders. This is serious industrial-grade machinery. The job requires someone who is part mechanic, part heavy equipment operator, and part construction worker, all rolled into one. Yeah, that whole pitchfork idea is pretty much out the window by now. But wait, there's more. Just when you think it's all about physical tools and brute strength, the job description throws a curveball. This role also requires working computer skills. You know, for things like record keeping and communication. It just goes to show you a modern farmer has to be as comfortable with a keyboard as they are with a chainsaw. Okay, let's move on. If the toolkit surprised you, the work environment is going to completely shatter any notion you had of a calm, peaceful country life. This is where we get into the real nitty-gritty of the job. This is a direct quote from the work conditions section of the document. It's pretty blunt. There's this constant, unpredictable risk of getting hurt by the very animals you're there to care for. This is not a petting zoo. It's a daily negotiation with large, powerful animals. The document also gets real about the sensory side of things. It's not just a little bit of a barn smell, it's described as strong, and it's constant. That's a challenging condition that requires a unique kind of resilience, day in and day out. And then you have one of the most serious hidden dangers, exposure to zoonotic diseases. These are the illnesses that can actually be transmitted from animals to humans. This puts the Farmer 3 on the literal front line of potential biohazards, which makes following safety and cleaning protocols absolutely essential to protect themselves and really the entire facility. The job description even quantifies the physical strain. I mean, look at this table. The word frequently appears over and over again. Lifting up to 50 pounds frequently, pushing or pulling that same weight frequently, bending, driving, all frequent. And then you get to the bottom and you see that sitting is listed as only occasionally. This is a physically relentless job. So on top of all the physical dangers and demands, there's this immense pressure to perform every task with absolute precision. Let's look at the performance expectations, because this really shows just how high the stakes are. The performance standards are incredibly telling. Look at the language here. To simply meet expectations, you just follow instructions. Okay. But to be considered outstanding, you have to do it diligently with minimal or no supervision. So the premium isn't just on doing the work, it's on autonomy and taking initiative. And this comparison is even more telling. Making few or no errors is just considered standard. To be outstanding, you have to be consistently error-free. Just think about that. In such a complex environment with so many variables, the goal is literally perfection. So why? It's because a single error could compromise a research project that's been going on for years. It could endanger the health of an animal patient, or it could violate really strict welfare protocols. The Farmer 3 isn't just a laborer. They're a critical link in this whole chain of science and medicine. Their consistency is the foundation for everything else. So, let's pull all these threads together.
We've seen the technical skills, the physical dangers, and the immense pressure. This job is clearly about so much more than its simple title suggests. But maybe the most surprising part of the job description is the required mental fortitude. I mean, look at this list. It demands someone who can reason logically, remain poised under all circumstances, and sustain attention with distractions. These aren't the skills of a simple laborer. These are the hallmarks of a truly resilient professional who has to think on their feet in a super high-stress environment.
What this all shows is that a simple title like Farmer 3 can hide a world of complexity. This document isn't just describing a job. It's profiling a person who is a technician, a caregiver, a heavy equipment operator, and a problem solver all in one. They are a vital and probably often invisible part of a major institution.
And that really just leaves us with a final question to think about. After peeling back the layers on this one role, what other jobs that we label as simple are actually hiding incredible depths of skill, danger, and importance? It's a pretty powerful reminder to look past the title and really appreciate the expertise that's all around us.